Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Delicious things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a lemon lover pie high, a frosty frozen treat that's hard to beat. Here's what you'll need: 1 graham cracker pie crust, a quart of vanilla ice cream, 16 ounces of Cool Whip, 1 12-ounce can of frozen lemonade, and 2 10-ounce jars of lemon curd. In a bowl, combine the softened vanilla ice cream, 2½ cups of Cool Whip, and the thawed lemonade. Then blend until smooth. Pour half of the mixture into the pie crust and freeze for several hours. Do the same with the remaining ice cream mixture. Meanwhile, make the lemon curd filling. In a bowl, combine the lemon curd, the remaining 2½ cups of Cool Whip, and some yellow food coloring. Mix to combine, and then when the bottom ice cream layer is hardened, spoon that lemon curd over the top. Put it back in the freezer to harden about an hour, and then add the final layer of the ice cream and lemonade mixture on top. This time the pie gets frozen for 6 hours or overnight. And then slice it up and enjoy a refreshing, sweet and tart, luscious lemony frozen pie, perfect for a hot summer day. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.